Assalamu alaikum students, and today our lecture is on about our novel Oliver Twist, and our first chapter is Young Oliver. In this chapter you may learn the early age or early time how Oliver spent in the workhouse. Authorities at the workhouse sent Oliver to a workhouse for juvenile offender against the world laws. The overseer, Mrs. Mann, receives an adequate sum for each child's upkeep, but she keeps most of the money and lets the children go hungry, sometimes even letting them die. On Oliver's 9th birthday, Mr. Bumble, a minor church official known as the parish beadle, informs Mrs. Mann that Oliver is too old to stay at her establishment. Since no one has been able to discover his mother's or father's identity, he must return to the workhouse. Mrs. Mann asks how the boy came to have any name at all. Mr. Bumble tells her that he keeps a list of names in alphabetical order, naming the orphans from the list as they are born. Here, a word is used, orphans. What are orphans? The children which do not have any family member or which do not have mother or father, they are known as orphans. In this chapter, you have learned more about the workhouse, where the workhouse offers the poor the opportunity to starve slowly as opposed to quick starving on the streets. For the workhouse, the undertaker's bill is a major budget item due to the large number of deaths. Oliver and his young companions suffer the torture of slow starvation. Why we said that? Because they have to do a lot of work but still don't get food, or they get some food which are not enough for them. So that's why we use tortures of slow starvation. One night at dinner, one child tells the others that if he does not have another bowl of gruel is a type of soup which consists of milk and water, he might eat one of them. Terrified, the children at the workhouse cast lots, determining that whoever loses shall be required to ask for more food for the boy. Oliver loses, and after dinner, the other children insist that Oliver ask for more food at supper. His request so shocks the authorities that they offer £5 as a reward to anyone who will take Oliver of their hand. These are the main components and story of your first chapter. Now I will give you the assignment according to the first chapter. In your assignment, I have added words meaning, some question answers, make sentences, some exercises, and reference to the context. When you read this chapter, there are many dialogues, and these are the context. Now, how to write the reference to the context? First of all, you have to give the introduction. Like in introduction, you may add the name of the novel, then the author name, Charles Dickens, then chapter name. Then you may start explanation with the heading. You have to put the heading of explanation, then you will start explanation. And in explanation, you must put the name of the speaker, by whom to speak, and why these words were spoken. So this has become your reference to context. And exercise, I have exercise, the exercise I have given is from your chapter. If you read it carefully, you may do the exercise very well and answer the questions, and you may find out the meaning, difficult meaning or vocabulary from the chapter.